Hey guys, first we're going to use red litmus paper to check whether our solutions are acids or bases. Right, so you should have your observation table out or downloaded to your computer so that you can be recording the data as I work. All right, so in front of me you'll see that we have 5 solutions. Solutions 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And so we're going to take some red litmus paper and dip it in each solution. Right, so red litmus paper looks like this. Okay, here's a strip of red litmus paper. If we dip this red litmus paper in one of our solutions and it turns blue, that means our substance, our solution is a base. So when you dip red litmus paper in a solution and it turns blue, that means that the solution is basic. If we dip our red litmus paper in our solution, it doesn't change colors. It stays the same color, or it just looks like it got wet. Okay, it stays red, but it looks wet now. That means that our solution is either an acid or it is neutral. Okay, but if our red litmus paper turns blue, that means it is a base. So let's go ahead and get started by dipping our red litmus paper in solution 1. Okay, so I'm going to dip it in. Right, and so you can record your observation in the observations table under the red litmus paper column. You're going to record, okay, whether or not this piece of litmus paper changed colors, if it turned blue after we dipped it in solution 1. Okay, so you're going to record if there was a color change, if it turned blue, or if there was no color change, if it stayed red, it did not turn blue. So record that observation. And now we're going to move on and look at solution 2. Right, so here's our red litmus paper. Let's dip it in solution 2. Right, there you go. And so you're going to record your observation. Did the red litmus paper change colors when it was dipped in solution 2, or did it stay the same color? Did it turn blue or did it stay red? That's what you're recording in your observation table, whether or not there was a color change. Right, so there's solution 2. Let's look at solution 3. So we're going to dip our red litmus paper in solution 3. Right. And so you're going to record whether or not there was a color change. Did our red litmus paper change colors? Did it turn blue? Or did it not change colors? Did it stay red? You're going to record that in your observations table. Okay, so there's solution 3. Now let's do solution 4. So I'm going to dip some red litmus paper in solution 4. There's solution 4. So you're going to record your observation. Did the red litmus paper turn blue when we dipped it in solution 4? Did it change colors, or does it stay the same color? Did it stay red? There's solution 4. And then lastly, let's look at solution 5. So we're going to dip our piece of red litmus paper in solution 5. Okay, there's our red litmus paper from solution 5. So you're going to record if there was a color change. Did the red litmus paper turn blue, or did it stay red? That's what you're recording in your data table, whether or not there was a color change, and if there was a color change, what color did the red litmus paper turn? All right, so again, here are all 5 pieces of red litmus paper from each of the 5 solutions. Remember, if the litmus paper turns blue, that means your solution is basic. If the red litmus paper stays red, that means that the solution is either an acid or it is neutral, right? So make sure you've got all the color changes recorded in your data table for red litmus paper.